Nagkasagutan naman sina Senate Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman Panfilo Lacson at dating chairman ng komite na si Senator Rodante Marcoleta. Kwestiyon ni Marcoleta ang sinabi ni Lacson na mas kinukonsidera niyang maging state witness si dating DPWH Engineer Bryce Hernandez kaysa ang mag-asawang Pacifico at Sara Diskaya. Saksi, si Mav Gonzalez.
Umpisa pa lang ng pagdinig ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee sa anomalya sa flood control projects, kwestiyon agad ng dating chairman ng komite na si Senador Rodante Marcoleta ang integridad ng investigasyon. Sinabi raw kasi ni Committee Chairman Senador Ting Lacson sa isang media interview na mas kinukonsidera niyang maging state witness si dating DPWH Bulacan 1st District Engineering Office Assistant Engineer Bryce Hernandez kaysa sa kontratistang mag-asawang Curly at Sara Diskaya.
Does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
No. That's my perspective. No? That's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion.
I am not questioning your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the chairman of this committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead. You raise your
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo
You're
an
questioning my
investigator,
opinion.
we are investigating.
Away kagad tayo rito.
Mr. Chair, we are still
Hearing is suspended.
investigating.
Nang suspendihin ang sesyon, lalong nagkainitan ng dalawang senador.
The point is, an investigator cannot be judged at the same time. Do not judge.
We are not judging.
No, ang importante rito is the objectivity, sinasabi ko na sa'yo.
Are you trying to steal the show?
No. I am raising prejudicial questions.
Why are you so
You should not
protective of
judge.
the Discayas? Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan.
Sinimulan muli ni Lacson ang pagdinig, pero inirehistro ni Marcoleta ang patuloy niyang pagtutol. Nilinaw naman ni Secretary Remulla na hindi lang si dating DPWH Bulacan 1st District Engineer Henry Alcantara ang kinukonsidera ng Department of Justice na maging state witness.
It's not limited to him. As the hearings go on, we will evaluate everybody and the value of the evidence that they can present. At saka syempre po yung vantage point kung sino talaga makakapagturo sa mga salarin.
Pwede rin pong matanggap sa Witness Protection Program ang mag-asama Diskaya, pwede rin si Bryce Hernandez, as maski sino sa mga resource persons natin, depende sa inyong evaluation.
Uminit ulit si Marcoleta nang mapunta ang usapan sa restitusyon o pagsusoli ng ninakaw na pera o ari-arian. Ayon daw kasi sa batas, hindi ito kailangan para mag-apply sa Witness Protection Program.
Are you amending the provision of the
No,
law?
sir. No, sir. But that is how we run the Witness Protection Program. I respect your opinion, sir. But
It
that's
is not
how,
my opinion, it is in the law, Mr. Secretary.
Yes, sir. What is the reason behind the law? So that we can get justice, and justice can only be attained if there is restitution.
The restitution will come after. It cannot be.
Sir, it can come before or after, sir.
Mr. Secretary, I'm very sorry for such a reasoning like that. Alam mo, nakikinig
I'm very
ang
sorry,
buong
sir.
bansa.
Also, sir, I'm very sorry too if you do not agree with me. But I respect your opinion, sir, and we will carry out our job as we deem fit.
You may be disbarred from doing this.
Then it's your opinion, sir. It's your option, sir.
Punto naman ni Senador Risa Ontiveros kung hihilingin antemano ang pagbabalik ng ill-gotten wealth bago tanggapin sa Witness Protection Program, hindi na ito kailangang bawiin pa kalaunan ng gobyerno sa isang masalimuot na proseso.
This practice ensures that while the state secures indispensable testimony, it likewise secures tangible recovery for both government and the offended parties.
In applying for witness protection, restitution is not there because restitution will come in only after the case has been resolved by the court.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, ako si Mav Gonzalez, ang inyong saksi.
Mga kapuso, maging una sa saksi. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang balita.